Okay, I'm back again. The job is finished. I just got through installing the pump back underneath the car. This is where it. Turn this light off. This is where it's located. Well, let me turn the light back on so you can see. This is where it's located, right underneath the car. Underneath all this, like I said, you got to remove the fender well, the fender skirt, well, tie skirt, to get up in there. But like I said, the job is complete. Like I said, go to the dealership. You may end up spending maybe $4,000 or $5,000 for this job I just finished. Unfortunately, I take care of my customers. Thank you.